what a wonderful little etude. I love it. It's a tempo di barcarola, means it's supposed to have kind of a feeling of motion. You know, it's like it's heading somewhere. A barcarola is a tune for a little bit of motion, a little bit of a movement. So it needs to feel like it's on the move. Anyway, so he writes chromatic gliding of the fingers, and what he means by that is just you keep constantly manipulating and changing very small amount of changes. Sometimes half position, sometimes first. You never leave first position really, so you are in first position the whole time, but it doesn't make it easier nonetheless. Just a few spots here that will capture your attention. So really try to focus on quality of tone, memorizing the shapes of the intervals as you go, and don't overpress too much. You know, try to be as relaxed as you can pressing the double stops. That's kind of really important. Oh, also don't forget the bow. So the bow also plays a very important role here. They need to work together and really try to keep a balance of how much the bow should move, how fast, and also how much to press. You know, so most of the time you don't need to press very much. Very light touch is enough. But again, that's just my view, my opinion. Your opinion may be different, and that's okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed my little journey on double stops, please consider joining my YouTube membership site. For a small fee, you get some exclusive content and you get to support this channel. So I would really appreciate that. Either my YouTube membership or Patreon. Both are designed to support living musicians such as myself. So if that means something to you, I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.